What's up? Yours truly, once again, Michael Ferrera, back with another Style Your Life. And in this episode, we're going to be studying billionaires and why they wake up at 5 a.m. and why you should do it right now. Let's get into it. So no intro today, no need for all that, but I definitely want to make this video short, concise, and very valuable that you can implement immediately, as we always do. For those of you that are already subscribing, thank you so much. It truly means the world to me. I try to make a lot of videos and a lot of content to bring valuable to you immediately, so you do not have to go buy anything, shop, do anything, but things you could just implement immediately. If you came here by accident, or it's your first time, or you randomly find this, I don't think it's by accident. Everything is for a reason, and you came here for a reason, so stay here. Please click that subscribe button, that like button, and share this with somebody else so that you can spread the love and be valuable to other people's life and style your life. So in this episode, 5 a.m., many of you have seen this kind of number floating around, or seen it pop up, or seeing multi-billionaires and millionaires waking up like The Rock, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates. A lot of the world billionaires and gigantically successful people wake up really early. Why? Why do they do this? And I definitely have cracked the code as to why they're doing this. And I'll share in this video 5 reasons why you should be waking up at 5 a.m. And then in a separate video, or maybe I'll do it at the end, of additional 5 reasons on how to start waking up at 5 a.m. I personally have been doing this for the past four, maybe 5 years now of waking up at 5 a.m. And quite frankly, it's the biggest investment and the biggest change that I made to my life after I started to plateau as an entrepreneur, and I started to see my success go even higher once I started waking up earlier in the morning. And I'll show you why you should do it and how you should do it right now. The number one reason why billionaires and many successful people wake up really early in the morning is that it just gives you a jump start ahead of the day. Now, what does that mean? Many times, all of us have a list and a plethora of things that are happening throughout the day. Following up on emails, calling people, calling prospective clients, following up with existing clients, finding new business, recording, going to school, studying, the list goes on. There's so many different things that are happening throughout your day. But when you wake up at 5 a.m., like a lot of these successful people are doing, you get the jump start. You actually get the ball rolling really early. You start to get everything moving at a faster pace, and now your body is already rolling by the time everyone else is waking up. So that is the number one reason. It just gives you a jump start on top of everything, and it gets the ball rolling to propel to the rest of your day, and success breeds on success. And that's why waking up early is so important. The number 2 reason why individuals are waking up early and at 5 a.m. is that it truly gives quality time to yourself. You've heard this before, but it's so important. The biggest investment that you can make in anything is the investment in yourself. And many times that comes with the investment of time. When you're up at 5 a.m. or really early in the morning, these are times where there's little distractions, and now you can just focus on you. Get into the mental state that you need to be in for the rest of the day. Get into the time of meditation, of prayer, of reading, of education, of growth. Whatever it is that you do in the morning, it allows you to focus and get that direct time solely invested in yourself. So invest in yourself early in the morning is one of the reasons why individuals are waking up at 5 a.m. and why you should too. The number 3 reason as to why individuals wake up at 5 a.m. and why you should start doing it is that it eliminates the distractions. You get it, you know it. There's multiple distractions of alerts and bings and dells and emails and text messages and phone calls and by the ways and assistants and everything, and there's so much noise happening. Once the day gets going, there's so many different things that distract you from being on focus, on time, and being in the moment and being focused on the task at hand. When you wake up early, again, it gives you the jump start. It gives you the time to focus and write down the things that you need to do throughout the day, allows you to dedicate time to yourself, get rid of a lot of things that can be done early on in the morning, working out, getting energy going, fitness, the list goes on, and it eliminates any distraction because many people are not up at that time. So therefore, you get the full time to invest in yourself and dedicate time to you so that you're truly in the position to not have any distractions. The number 4 reason as to why individuals are waking up really early, and why you should too, is that it gives you a boost of confidence knowing that you're the only one doing it. Well, you're not the only one doing it, but most people are not doing this. Most individuals are waking up at a traditional time, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, some people, even later, 9, 10 o'clock, or whatever it may be. But it gives you the jump start, and now it gives you a boost of confidence knowing that you're doing something that most people can't. Many people are saying, I'm not a morning person. I got to get my sleep. I need 7 hours. I need 8 hours. I need 10 hours of sleep. Whatever awkward things that they're saying, it might be to their hampering. But when you wake up, it gives you the boost of confidence knowing that you're doing something that most people can't do. And you need to embrace that, accept that, and have that somewhat as like a chip on your shoulder, and use it not as an arrogant, flamboyant thing, but use it as a way to boost and enhance your creativity, your confidence, and your edge as you go throughout the remainder of your day. Now, the number 5 reason why you should be waking up at 5 o'clock is, quite frankly, it just gives you more time. It is what it is. If you're not waking up at a traditional time, like a 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, whatever the time that you're normally waking up, it will just give you more time. Even if you're waking up 30 minutes before, yes, that gives you more time. But when you're getting up closer towards the 5 o'clock hour, you very likely have 2, 3, maybe 4 hours of time, depending on where you are and what industry you're in. 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours of time just to yourself that you can maximize and grow, focus, dedicate, effort, enhance everything in your life, because it's only you and your time that you could devote. Now, depending on the other things that are happening in your life, the time will vary. I get that. But quite frankly, waking up early and waking up at 5 a.m. just gives you more time. And when you have more time, you have more ability to be more productive. Now, you may say, and this is some bonus. So those are the top 5. You can implement those right now. Here's bonuses that I always give at the end of my videos. Now, being transparent, the 5 o'clock wake up may not be easy for every individual. And in my next video, or if you click below, wherever that thing is, somewhere right here, click on that, and then you can see how to start waking up at 5 a.m. and how you can strategically do it so you're not groggy and sluggish throughout the day. There's strategic ways that you can do it and implement it, but nonetheless, use this right now to style your life. Start waking up earlier and really get to the point where you can wake up at 5 a.m. to maximize your day and style your life at the highest level. As usual, all my gear, all of my things that I share, I'm wearing it. You can shop it online on my website. You can click it. Links are always below. You can use that and buy now. As you know, I always create and make inspired luxury, and my items are just so comfortable. I truly hope you just take a quick look at it, click on it, like it, subscribe it, and so forth like that. As usual, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Like and comment. If you're one that wakes up at 5 o'clock, tell me how long you've been doing it. Tell me what you do to wake up at 5 o'clock and why you wake up at 5 o'clock. That's really important. Comment below and let us know. And if you're one of those individuals that want to start waking up early or want to start waking up at 5 a.m., comment below. We got actually a mastermind where I challenge you through a 30-day challenge on how to wake up at 5 o'clock, and I help you do it. So click below, comment below if you're interested, and also there's links below that you can choose. And as usual, yours truly, Michael Ferrera. Style your life. You can have every single thing in life that you want as long as you truly believe it. We'll see you soon. Peace.